Hello everybody, it's Untitled UK here with another YouTube video. We're just going to jump straight into it today. Got a little bit to talk about, a little trade that I put on, some NFTs that I bought, a little breakdown of the market. Let's get into it. I hope you watched yesterday's video because what I've been saying, in fact I hope you've been watching since May. I know some of you OGs have, and basically everything I've said has come true so far. Like I said when we were here at 30k, I didn't think we'd come any lower than 28. Guess what? We didn't. There's been a lot of fun weird claims thrown around the market, and I've just tried to keep it straight all the time, give you my personal opinion on what I see and nothing more and nothing less. So with that being said, let's have a look at Bitcoin on the daily. I put a warning out video yesterday and I will go into detail about that in a minute, but let's have a look what's been going on. So we are in this actually quite awesome uptrend. So we've got a wave, an impulsive wave and a retracement, an impulsive wave, retracement, wave, retracement, wave, retracement. Now we're looking for the next impulsive wave to try and break above this 702 Fibonacci retracement level. And this is why this area here, this 702, 786, and even this box up here that I've drawn in, these are the reasons why I put that warning out yesterday. It's not to scare the market, it's not because I think we're going to crash, it's just because these are very key areas for traders in terms of Fibonacci retracement levels. 702 to 786 is always a very highly traded area. The skilled traders take profits here, and the retail investors start to see the market going back up and they FOMO back in, so it can be a dangerous area one way or another, and that's why I gave that warning out yesterday. But let's break into what Bitcoin's done so far today. So we're going to go into the hourly because it's a lot easier to see what I'm talking about when we're in the hourly. So we had that bullish cross on the 19th, and we're still respecting that, man. We're still on the hourly, we're still looking at an uptrend. We're setting a higher low here from these sort of lows. Yes, you could say it's a lower low from this area and lower highs, so we could be slightly downtrending here. It would be better if we could break this. Oh, that's not a pen, I've just clicked, lol. We need to break this reversal line, and then we can confirm that we've broken back out to the upside. But positives, what can I see? Let's have a look at this here. So this is the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, which I thought was where we might find and hold support because it was previous resistance here. It looks like we've actually held support so far on this level here, the 47,300, which, as you can see, was previous resistance here, here, here. So that's fine. That's fine. It is a support level. I wouldn't say it's as strong as the 0.5 doubled it with these previous resistances where it's really rejected, but it is still a support level nonetheless. And what's positive about what we've done now and what's negative? So we've retaken the 0.5, and as you can see, when we retook that, we had a nice boost out of there. So what's negative? What's another positive, sorry, is we've retaken the 200-day. Negative, we've hit our head on the 50. We've also not broken past this swing high here. So it'd be better if we'd broken above that, come down, retest the 50, out we go. But what can I see happening here? So we've taken this initial drop, we tried to retrace, didn't, drop further, found some support here, and now we were going to try and retrace here and then come down further, but what actually happened is it confirmed the support, we pushed up, we've not had enough volume and price action to get through the 50-day as well. So what am I looking for? Either consolidation above it and then a break up, or we come down to test that 200 slash 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, try again at the 50-day. If we can't do that, we maybe try again, and then out we come. So that's personally what I'm looking for. Just remember, guys, nothing goes up in a straight line, nothing comes down in a straight line. If we are going to retrace and get back above these levels and have another go at this 702, we need to get some momentum from down here. Nice consolidation, find some support, show the market this is a support level, we are going to want to go to the upside, and then really have a go at that. Pardon me, excuse me. So that's what I wanted to show you there. I haven't really looked at Ethereum yet today, so have a quick look now. So Ethereum's looking less bullish, but it has had more of a rise than Bitcoin. So if we go on the daily, and we have just look at percentages for Ethereum, let's have a look. So from Ethereum's bottom, or local bottom, which, well, it's roughly there, but it's basically the same here. Let's just take it from the actual line. So Ethereum's bottom to where we are now, we've looked at an 88% increase in Ethereum. So anyone who bought into Ethereum back there, well done, congratulations, you made 88% on your money already. Bitcoin's bottom's here in line with this, so just using this trend line here, we have looked at a 68% with Bitcoin. So even there, well done, you've made decent money. XRP, the crypto that everyone says never moves, doesn't do anything. Let's have a look what XRP's done. From the bottom, which is this support line here, to where we are now. Oh look, 125% for a crypto that doesn't move anywhere. So congratulations to anyone who got in down here. Actually, one of my friends did get in with quite a big bag. He got quite lucky timing on a house sale and put some of the profit that he made from that into XRP, and so he's already up. He's already doubled his money on that, so that's great. And now let's have a look at the total market cap quickly. Again, doing literally exactly what I wanted it to do yesterday. Do you remember? So I wanted it to come down here when we were around this sort of level. I wanted it to come down. I wanted to test this level of support. So I drew this line in and look to head out of this area. Let's have a look on the altcoin market cap. Again, the same thing. What I said was I wanted to test this level here, this previous high, use that as support, hopefully get this candle close above that, which it looks like we're going to do today, and then start to head on out of this area. So what's happened so far has just been a healthy correction. So let me quickly look at this first. So this morning I put this tweet out. So if you don't already follow me on Twitter, sometimes I might just throw a couple of TA tweets out there every now and then. This was screaming at me this morning. I've been looking at HBAR a little bit recently, so let's just talk about what I've been seeing. So what I saw this morning. So I've taken a short-term leverage trade in HBAR. I have a long-term bag too. Respect. And I was talking about what it's doing. Respecting an ascending, broadening wedge with an increase in volume. Excuse my awful photography. This is double with the news I saw yesterday. So it's actually a long trade. I probably should have said that in my tweet. So this is what I'm seeing, and I'll show you it actually on the graph. So just put some pictures of it there. And I said, this is what I saw yesterday. Big moves. Your thoughts. And then King Solomon tweeted this. So Hashgraph is a monster. Hedera Hashgraph, HBAR, the government of China, Bahrain, and the UK. New Hashgraph publicized patent with Hyperchain Bank, State Bank of China. So that good news, coupled with what I saw going on in the charts, was the reason I put in this trade. It's not financial advice at all. I don't day trade often. This one was just screaming me in the face. I did kind of want to get Hashgraph bag. I don't really have much. I do now. So what I did was I took a long-term position in Hedera, and I opened a short-term leverage trade as well. So my short-term leverage trade, I opened around this dotted line. I actually think it was a bit lower, but I always like to put it a little bit higher just for a psychological thing that I do. So I actually opened the position probably around this 24-cent mark. My take profit target is up here at 32, and my stop loss is down here at 21.2. And the reasons for that are, and then I'll show you my logic and reasoning. So what we've got here is a broadening wedge, and actually a broadening wedge pattern is can be a reversal pattern. So if it's going up, then the broadening wedge breaks and it breaks down, and it normally breaks down to where it formed the wedge. But in this occasion, what really sparked my interest was we're slowly increasing, we're above the moving averages, and we're starting to have a spike in volume. That coupled with the news that I saw yesterday, I was like, okay, great, let's have a look what's happening on a larger time frame. Okay, so we've got actually a bullish pennant forming here, huge bullish pennant. But I'm just here for the swing on this, so that would be my long-term bag that's looking at this trade. If we start ripping, I'll probably just take my stop loss up, have a trailing stop loss if we break through this 32. If we rip through there in like a day or two, yeah, I'll trail my stop loss, keep my eye on it. But basically, it's a 1 to 2 or 1 to 2 and a bit risk to reward. So yeah, just wanted to throw that one out there, show you what I was seeing. Looking for a bullish trade. It's looking very positive at the minute, so let's see what happens. Again, I'm not a mind reader. I can't see the future. It just looked like a decent trade for me, and that's why I did it. So I just wanted to show you guys about that because I think you guys deserve that as my followers. So yeah, drop me a follow on Twitter if you don't already. I'm trying to tweet a bit more. Like, I honestly just get away with the fairies. Like, if you don't see me on socials that much, I'm just always looking at charts or learning about new stuff. So also yesterday I bought 2 NFTs. This one's kind of sick. Apparently only 0.37% of them have this headgear, and I actually like that because I'm an amateur boxer as well, so I thought it was pretty cool that I managed to get one of them. And this is the other guy that I got. He looks like a bit of a hippie, kind of jokes. I'm not sure if is it a javelin? I actually thought like it was a pool cue when I first looked at it, but actually now looking at it, I think it's a javelin. And only like 1% of these NFTs have got that yellow headband, so I don't know. I think I've been kind of blessed with these 2 NFTs because they look pretty cool as well. I'm just trying to be honest, completely honest with you. Like, if I can flip them for a profit, I might sell them, but like, it's more, I'm doing this to learn, and I know that it's not the best way to like just put money in and learn, but it's the way that I personally learn the best. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. I thought it was a pretty cool thing to share. I'm not sponsored by these in any way. There's no affiliation there. It's literally just me learning about stuff. Like I already have that Pokemon thing, the Uni Air thing, but actually my mate sent me that back in the day, in like January, or February. So yeah, that's everything from me. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I look forward to speaking to you again tomorrow. I might do a TikTok live soon, but I have not long been back from the gym. I've been doing lots of research today. Very positive mood. Had some good sleep last night, and that's something that I really need to focus on myself, is getting some more sleep. So Bitcoin, have a quick last check on it. Looks to have broken nicely above this 0.5. Great sign to see. If we can really break above this 50-day moving average, we are back and looking nice again, guys. So the sky's not falling if we take a correction. Look at corrections at areas to put bids in. If you've missed out on this and you want to get in on Bitcoin, look for a correction as an area to put in a bid. And to find corrections, look for previous swing highs, like here, here, here. And then also look for Fibonacci levels, so like this, obviously. So hopefully that helps you guys. Nothing I've said is financial advice. Just want you guys to know that. Just wanted to open your eyes to show you what I'm doing. And yeah, as I said, I look forward to speaking to you in the next one. Thank you to everyone who's tuned in, and I will see you soon. Peace up, A-Town down.